Most people get this wrong when checking their Roblox gift card balance, and they assume the code didn't work or the balance disappeared. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your Roblox balance does not show as a separate gift card wallet in most cases. It gets converted into account credit after redemption. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to check your Roblox gift card balance in 2026 step by step, And by the end you'll know exactly where your Robux or credit is stored and how to verify it instantly. Let's jump straight in. First, open your browser or Roblox app and log into your account. Make sure it is the same account where you redeemed your gift card. This is the number one mistake users make. They redeem on one account and check another. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you are logged in, go to the Roblox homepage and look for the Robux icon at the top right corner. This is your main balance indicator. Click on it. You will now see your current Robux balance displayed clearly. If your gift card was redeemed successfully, your Robux or credit should appear here immediately. But here's the problem many users face. They expect to see a gift card balance section. But Roblox does not label it that way. Instead, everything converts directly into Robux or account credit. Now, let's go deeper. If Alex redeemed a Roblox gift card but does not see his balance, the first thing he should do is refresh the page or log out and log back in. Sometimes the balance update takes a few seconds to sync across servers. Now here's a key step you should not miss. Go to the Roblox gift card redemption page and check your transaction history. This page confirms whether your code was successfully applied. If it shows redeemed, your balance is already active in your account. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can also verify your balance by attempting a purchase. Try buying a Game Pass or avatar item. At checkout, Roblox will automatically show your available Robux and deduct from it first. This is one of the most reliable ways to confirm your balance inside Roblox. But here's another important detail most people ignore. If you redeemed a gift card on mobile, but are checking on desktop, make sure you are logged into the exact same account. Even a small login mismatch can make it look like your balance is missing. Now let's talk about delays. Sometimes Robux does not appear instantly. It can take a few minutes due to processing time. So if you just redeemed a card, wait a short time and refresh again before assuming it failed. Now, here's a retention moment you should not skip. If your balance still does not appear after waiting, check your email. Roblox usually sends a confirmation message when a gift card is successfully redeemed. That email is your proof that the balance was added. Now here's another mistake people make. They think clearing cache or reinstalling the app will restore missing Robux. That does not help. Your balance is stored on Roblox servers, not your device. Now let's quickly summarize everything. Log into the correct account. Click the Robux icon. Check your balance. Verify redemption history. Refresh or relog if needed. And confirm via purchase or email if necessary. If you follow these steps correctly, you will always know exactly where your Roblox gift card balance is and avoid confusion or fake, missing balance issues. Now you know exactly how to check Roblox gift card balance in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who is confused about their Robux, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.